Hello everyone and welcome to Calculus. This is a Shaffer Snapshot on how to change the limits of integration. The first step is going to be to choose your u and use that to evaluate your new limits. And then we're going to just complete the integral as usual. We just don't have to substitute back in at the end, which a lot of people like. I'll show you using an example. So for this one, I'm going to let u be x squared minus 4. My du is 2x dx. I don't actually have a 2x dx, I just have the x and the dx, so I do need to add a 2 and a 1/2 on the outside in order to kind of counterbalance that 2. So now I can rewrite this as 1/2 the integral, and all of this I can replace with du over u. Now, I cannot write 0 and 1 here. They don't work for this new integral. So I have to rewrite these. Well, this is really x is 0 and x is 1. So when x is 0, u is 0 squared minus 4. U squared, or x squared minus 4. And then when x is 1, u is 1 squared minus 4, which is -3. Now this integral is correct. So I'm going to go ahead and do my integral. The integral of du over u is natural log of the absolute value of u. For definite integrals, the notation after you've done the integral is to draw a line with the upper and lower bounds written there. Now you could put this back in. I could change this back to 1/2 natural log of, and then my u is x squared minus 4, and then I could go back to my regular bounds. If I did this, then I wouldn't need to ever change my limits of integration. But the point of this lesson is to show you that you can actually just stop here. Don't substitute back in. If you find the new limits of integration, then you can just plug them in at this point. 1/2 ln of, and the absolute value of 3 is just 3, minus 1/2 the natural log of the absolute value of -4, which is just 4. So that would be your answer. Just as an aside, of course, you could combine them. This would be another possible answer if we're looking at multiple choice questions. Or it could even be natural log of 3 over 4, because when two natural logs are subtracted, it changes to division. Or it could be the natural log of 3/4 to the 1/2. That could become an exponent. Or it could be the natural log of the square root of 3/4, which simplifies, so the natural log of the square root of 3 over 2. All of these answers are considered great answers. So you can be thinking about that when you're doing a multiple choice test, that any of those answers could come up. So that's how you would change the limits of integration. If you do need to see more examples, I do have a complete video, and that link is in the description for you. Have a great day.